Just put the mosquito coil in the water and you're gonna thank me. It's amazing. So guys, this is really amazing. First, let's take this product known as mosquito coil. Then go ahead and rinse it with water. Make sure it's well soaked. After that, you notice it becomes more pliable. And that's exactly what we need, folks, because now we're gonna break it into small pieces and put everything in a container. Next, folks, we're gonna need alcohol. Here I'm using 36%, but you can use whatever you have at home. So go ahead and add 200 milliliters of alcohol here, which gives us about 1 cup of alcohol. Add it here. Now we're also going to need some cloves. Cloves are essential for this recipe. You don't need a lot, just add a handful of them here. Now mix together. Then just mix everything very well. Once this is done, folks, let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see how much the color changed already, and that's exactly what we need. Now get another container in order to strain this liquid. We're only going to need the liquid for this tip. Then transfer everything to a spray bottle. This will make application much easier. Now just close it and it's ready to use. But now guys, how we're gonna use it? Go ahead and apply this product at a corner of your house. By doing that, you'll repel all kinds of insects, such as ants, flies, mosquitoes, and especially roaches. This product essentially serves the same purpose as a mosquito coil. However, we've managed to improve it. It's much better now. Also, for people who are allergic to that smoke, this is a much safer option. Because with this product, you get better results without any smoke in the house. So that's it. Try this at home. I'm sure you're definitely gonna like the results. You can apply it at all corners of the house, especially in the outdoor area. This will get you rid of any unwanted insects, especially roaches. You can also apply it indoors, keeping insects out of the house. So, a very effective product that will certainly help you a lot at home.